today's video I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that you can do as a student this year. The first one on my list is, do you know you can sell or rent property? Yes, so making money from real estate does not require full-time effort. In case you don't know, now you know. Do you know you can work as a real estate agent part-time? Many real estate firms do not require realtors to do work full-time, and this means that once you get your real estate license and brush up on your sales skills, you can find yourself earning a commission on every property that you help to sell or even rent out. Yes, so how much you make from this depends on the cost of sales of the property, yes, and the commission rate. You can make a minimum of between $18,000 to $139,000 in a year. I am telling you. In case you're wondering, how do you get started? First thing you need to do is to get your real estate license. Then figure out the licensing and education requirements in your state and then get yours. Secondly, you need to join the National Association of Realtors, NAR. Membership to NAR is a requirement, and you will also prove to be beneficial for networking and meeting fellow realtors. Thirdly, you cannot be a real estate agent without joining a brokerage. A brokerage is an agency that employs real estate agents. It is difficult to actually find a brokerage that will support a part-time agent, but with some persistence, you should be able to find one. Once you have completed all of these, you'll begin to prepare a business plan. Find ways to generate leads on properties that may be up for sale, and figure out a marketing strategy to reach out to potential clients. This side job opportunity requires persistence and planning, but you will rake in extra money over time. The next one on my list here is tutoring or teaching. Yes, do you know that tutoring or teaching a school subject, high school SAT and ACT prep, or a language is an excellent option to earn extra money? If you're a teacher or you're someone with good teaching skills, this side job is easy to start and may also start earning, you more money than your full-time job. You can get started by registering as a tutor on websites like tutorme.com, schooly.com, and alternatively, you can begin marketing your own tutoring and teaching businesses locally. You can make up to $100,000 in a year. Here is how to get started. You first need to identify your clients and market your services to people in your community. If you plan on tutoring students for their high school SAT, ACT, or teaching English as a foreign language to foreigners, then you may consider getting certified first. You can either buy a popular tutoring franchise or start your own from home. Now, for online tutoring, you can start by applying for part-time tutoring or teaching jobs to start with. The next one on my list here is computer repairs. Yes, you don't need a qualification in computer science or IT to set up a computer repair business. If you can learn how to clean, repair, or replace any hardware or software, you can create a simple business that provides this service. It's an in-demand service, and many people who have devices that they need assistance with, whether the device is damaged, whether it's slow, or it has viruses. This side gig is flexible, but you can turn it into a full-time income. Yes, full-time business for yourself. It's very competitive, but you can build a strong client base over time by excelling in your own work. Just so you know, word of mouth is, easy access is the best way to market your business. You can make a minimum of $22,000 to $88,500 in a year, and here is how to start. Identify the services that you can provide and market them to your friends, family, and your neighbors. You may also consider getting a computer repair and IT certification. Then alternatively, you can build your client base and upskill yourself to give more services. The next one on my list here is direct sales. Yes, businesses like Avon, Tupperware, Herbalife are an example of direct sales business. Now, direct sale businesses help people earn money on their own schedule. In this model, you would sell products directly to the consumers. Sometimes you work on commission and earn a percentage of the profit of the items that you sell, and you can also earn a percentage of the profit from sales made by your own recruits. Yes, not their membership. So getting into direct sales relies on your own sales skills and commitments. It is easy to get into, and you can also earn a lot of money over time. This is one of those side hustles, for college students, and it can be turned into full-time business gigs in future. You can earn as much as $114,000 doing this every year. And here is how to start. Just go ahead and start, sign up for a direct sales business like Avon, Mary Kay, and Epicure. There are hundreds, of direct sales companies that you can sign up for. The next one on my list here is house cleaning and repairs. Guys, this side job is excellent for someone who enjoys or is good at cleaning, or someone who is a nifty tinkerer, I'm telling you, nifty tinkerer, it is relatively easy to set up a house cleaning or repairs business and market this service. So when you gather a few supplies and tools and talking to a few people in your neighborhood, you can start your own business within a day. A business like this is also easy to grow over time. You can go from making $1,000 per gig, yes, to making over $100,000 per year marketing to other businesses, yes, homes, schools, hotels, motels, Airbnb owners. Yes, you can make a lot of money on house cleaning as well as house repairs. I am telling you, you can make good money. Now, for house repairs, here is how to start. You need to decide on the services that you would like to provide and then set your rates. Then get some products and tools that you may need for your work. Once you've done those steps, start building a client base by informing your family and friends and neighbors, yes, of your services. The next one on my list here is landscaping and gardening. I'm telling you, you see, lawn care services are a good way to make money, and you might also know a kid in your high school who would mow lawns, yes, for their neighbors to make some pocket money. This is still a viable option that is still available today. You can start your own landscaping businesses or sign up for a business like Green Pal to get started. A business like this requires some equipment. You can actually rent it from Home Depot, or you can also purchase it as a startup. Now, the biggest challenge, the one big challenge of this business is that the work can be seasonal. You may get less work in the winter, and you can provide other services during this season, like maybe tree care, tree removal, vegetable gardening, snow plowing, or garden coaching. This part-time operation can be turned into a full-time business with a good plan and marketing. You can make up to $46,000 in a year. And here is how to start. First thing you need to do is to decide on the services that you would like to provide and set your rates. Secondly is to get some products and tools that you may need for your work. Thirdly is to build a client base by informing your friends, families, and neighbors and nearby community for your services. Guys, on this channel, I'm going to be spilling the tea on how to make good money this year. If you have not been making consistent income, you're in the right place. I will ginger you until you start making money. I'm telling you. So if you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself in the beginning. I was just excited to share with you guys all of these tips, tricks, and strategies that help you make good money, to help you secure the bag. It's all about securing the bag on this channel. Oh yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're returning subscriber, thank you. I see you guys. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I know I'm hyper. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you ways to make money. Make sure that you tune into this channel every single day. There's something new for you. There's something for everybody. There's no way in the world you tune into this channel and you'll not find something that works for you. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again, besties. Yes, and I hope this video has been a blessing to you. If you need me to do a research a lot to your specification, if you have questions for me, please feel free to ask your questions in the question bar. There are no stupid questions. And please, this is a safe space where you can express yourself. See, this channel is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. So please feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And that is it for today, guys. Like I said, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will not be broke again. And I leave you with these words today. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I'm super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go do exploits, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers. Bye for now.